Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a look at the Monogram Company 1994 catalog, product catalog. And this has a fold out on it, very similar to the Revell release. What's so special about a Monogram hobby kit? I'll go ahead and focus on that. You guys can read it if you'd like. And we'll move on. Here we have new releases for 1994. Oh, I'm drawing a blank on his name. Is that Ernie Irving? I apologize if I got that wrong. There we go. Huh, you get some dolphins. April, May releases. Okay. August. Big old truck there. Oh, that's a snap kit, it says. Sequest. Was that a big show? Look at this, in the year 2018 it says. That's funny. Yep. Alright, these are things that were happening. Yep. Here it talks about the big trucks coming out. That's cool. A little ZR2 pickup. That's cool. Oh, was this a kit? 132 scale, okay. Yep. Yeah, it looks like all their snap type was 132 scale. I didn't know they did a engine there. The something pumper from AMT. I can't remember the name of it, but it's very similar to that one. That's a beautiful looking truck there. Whoever built that did a really nice job. Some more snap together kits. Air Force, Space Shuttle. Oh, here's that stock car again. Kodak stock car combo 124. Oh, it's got two kits in there. I'm sorry. Morgan McClure Racing, Eastman Kodak, Rick Wilson, and Ernie Irving. Yep, that's who that was. And I'm assuming that's Rick Wilson. I'm sorry, I never heard of him. Okay. And this one is Alan Kowicki. And who's this guy? Kenny Schrader. Wow, okay. Very nice. '42, that was Kyle Petty's car. Yep. I don't know who this one was. The team is managed by Junior Johnson. Hut Strickland, this was. And Texaco. Oh, it doesn't say who drove this one. Number 28. Yeah, sorry, I don't know who the driver was on that one. And this was Darrell Waltrip. He was one of my favorites also. There's a nice Mustang that was coming out back then. 30-year anniversary, I guess that would have been for 94. These are 124 scale. Corvettes, another Mustang. Trans Am. Oh, there's an old classic there. I remember having that kit back in the 70s. Yep. Superbird, nice Hemi-Cuda. This kit here, oh no, this is Monogram. I think Revell did a version of this type of kit, and boy, it was a bear to put together. I don't remember the Monogram one. Had that one, that was, what was that? High Boy? They just call it a street machine here, but there was another name for it on the box. This is 124 scale also, though. Alright, we got 55, 56, and 57 in there, and another 56. Nice 69 GTO Judge there, that's cool. 59 Impalas, very cool. Big old 59 Cadillac Eldorado there, boy. That's a big one. Some Corvettes and the Thunderbird. 53 Bel Air, pretty neat. Nice Monte Carlo, classic look there. Paddy Wagon, Cobra, 32 Street Rod, Roadster, 39 Chevy, that was a cool one. Oh guys, there's a lot of pages in this one, this is a big one. I'll try and rush through here. Don't want to take up all your time, but I just wanted to share these with you guys. If you checked out my other two previous ones, you'd see Revell and Lindbergh was the first one I'd done. Yep, I had these sitting in a box for whatever, 30 years, I guess it is, right? 1994? Yep. And I just pulled it out. I thought I'd share them with you guys. Wow, that's cool. That's an Oldsmobile Aerotech. That's pretty advanced and far out thinking. It says this one was driven by AJ Foyt. Huh. To a closed course speed record of 278 miles, 278.357 miles per hour. Man, I just pointed there and you can read it. Beautiful 57 Chevy 112 scale there. That's really sharp. Big old 67 Corvette there too. 112 scale also. Some pickup trucks. Wave Rider 125 scale. Very cool. Nice. There's a classic. I bet you just about every modeler has had that kit. Just about. Not everybody. There's a Bronco and a Chevy stepside. Ford. Quadzilla. That's cool. Oh, into the aircraft. Helicopters seem like they'd be really difficult to me to build. I've never built one. Pretty cool. That's kind of neat looking. I like that one too. They're all pretty cool looking. Just don't have any room to display them. Warthog again. There we go. I'm going to speed up a little bit faster, guys. Battery's almost dead and I don't want to cut you off in the middle of it. There's some cool stuff there. See anything you like, go ahead and pause the camera. Pause your video. I hope the camera's picking it up clear enough for you to read it if there's something you'd like to see. Again, like I said, I just found these and I thought I'd share them with you guys because I get a big kick out of looking at this stuff. Wow, that's a huge craft right there. Fly Eastern Airlines. Are they even around still? I don't even know. Look at there, you get typical photo etched parts. Huh. Okay. Wow. Here's some space stuff. Moon landing. Very cool. Apollo rocket, the first lunar landing. So one of those was Buzz Armstrong and Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. Buzz Armstrong. I'm funny. Yep. Yeah. I was thinking of Buzz Lightyear. Alrighty. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. And Model Car Guy Rich out here. Keep on modeling.